Hello dear traders and welcome to the top 10 pound dollar expert advisors Forex Algorithmic trading course. In this course I will start with a lecture for the people who are just starting with the trading. I will go over basic stuff such as pips, points, the spread and the swap. I will cover as well the leverage and the margin and the trading platform MetaTrader. This is the only trusted algorithmic trading platform that we can use nowadays for trading, especially many expert advisors into one trading account. And as well, I will show you the whole system that I'm following. I will start from the history data. This is very important when you are building expert advisors, to build them over the history data from the server where you will be testing them. As well, I will show you how I create strategies with the EA Studio, and I will show you how I am selecting the strategies. I have selected the pound dollar because this is a great currency pair to trade with expert advisors, low spread with most of the brokers and very volatile asset in the same time. I will do trading totally with 60 strategies in one trading account, and I will select the top expert advisors and I will show you how to place them as well on the MetaTrader. And in the end of the course you will see how properly to follow the performance. So the 10 expert advisors that you receive, it is very important to follow their performance, so you will be able to choose the best Forex robot for yourself or the best 3, the best 5, up to you. But the idea is that at the end of the day you will be able to trade with expert advisors that are currently making profits, and you will manage your account by yourself and you will receive the expert advisors ready for trading. You don't need to have any programming skill, even trading experience previously is not needed. I will show you the complete process. All you need to do, follow the steps in the course and you will get familiar with it very quickly. Thank you guys for watching. I wish you to enjoy the course. If you have any questions during the course, don't hesitate to ask me. I will respond always within 12 hours. Enjoy the course.